Hello! I've got something a little bit different for you this time. My friend's Batec has completely failed. It died with a small puff of smoke coming from the electronics. Now there's absolutely no sign of life from it. It has a 36 volt battery and a hub motor with 600 watt peak output power. So let's have a look inside. The problem was immediately obvious. A capacitor on the power supply board had exploded. Rather than get into trying to repair the damaged board, I decided a replacement of the whole thing would be a better idea. My plan is to fit the cheapest and most powerful e-bike controller I can squeeze into the enclosure. All I have to do is work out how to make it fit. So there we have it. I removed the controller from its case and mounted it to some aluminium U-channel. Then used the original mounting points from the old controller to screw it down. I then soldered all the wiring and routed it as neatly as possible. Now I can screw the lid back on and test it out. Well, that seems to work okay. I can give it back to its owner. He's had it back for a while now and has done over 100 miles on it without any issues. It's a bit quicker than it was before, so it's worked out quite well. Let's hope it keeps going. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.